Now let's introduce another common lot creation command, free-form create. Looking at the preliminary lot layout, we may need to split the cul-de-sac areas to the south of Violet's circle. This will allow us to have back-to-back abutting lots. If not, we will have lots that are too deep to maximize our land. In case you have closed it, relaunch the Parcel Creation tool. From there, launch the free-form create command. Use the same settings we previously had when creating the parcels along Rose Drive and click OK. Adjust the swing line to be perpendicular to Violet's circle. Then bring your cursor slightly close to the southern right-of-way line. Now either activate the midpoint object snap from OSnap settings or type mid at the command line and press enter. This will position the swing line exactly at the middle of the south right-of-way line. To specify the second point, either activate the perpendicular from the OSnap settings or simply type PER at the command line. Then, move the cursor closer to the south property line. When the perpendicular snap sign appears, click on the line. The new segment line is created. Press Escape to exit the command. If you zoom closer, you will notice that another parcel is added. Now, reopen the Parcel Layout tools. We have our last settings unchanged and ready to be utilized again. Next, launch the Slide Line Create command. For Parcel to subdivide, click on Parcel Lot 2. For Start Point, click on the northwest corner of Violet's circle. Next, run the frontage line along the Violet circle right-of-way, from the top left corner to the start of the cul-de-sac. Press Enter to accept a 90-degree default angle. When prompted to accept the result, keep pressing Enter to accept. When you have less than 8.5 meters or 25 feet of frontage, you will receive a warning. If that happens, click OK to end the parcel creation and exit the current command. Now, we need to subdivide the cul-de-sac area. We want to create a few high-end single-family units. So, we will make the lot a little wider and bigger overall. To do this, we need to adjust our parameters. Return to the Parcel Creation tools or reopen it if it's closed. Now change the minimum width to 20 meters or 65 feet and the depth to 15 meters or 50 feet. Then, run the Slide Line Create command. Accept the previous settings for parcel creation. When prompted to select the parcel to be subdivided, select the big parcel around the cul-de-sac. Then, click at the start of the cul-de-sac, where we ended the previous lots before changing the parameters. Next, click at the end of the parcel to be subdivided. Press Enter to accept the default 90-degree angle. Keep pressing Enter all the way until the last parcel is created.